We never stop learning, and Budapest is a great place, and this Congress had everything you need. So I would like to say welcome to the next Congress here in Budapest. Good afternoon, jó napot kívánok. My name is Steffen Ulbrich. I come from Switzerland. I'm a general dentist focused on aesthetics and function.
Yeah, and my name is Andriy Maystrenko. I'm doctor from Ukraine who has specialized in functional treatment and functional planning for the patient in total rehabilitations.
Tomorrow in our lecture we want to share our experience about digital dentistry, and also we would like to speak about the evolution of technology in our profession.
We want to show how the technology is run so fast but still could help us in all our dental workflows and procedures.
Digital dentistry is nothing new, but day by day there are more and more technologies, and every dentist should have this day number one in the digital dentistry, because we can be better, faster, our results could be affordable for our patients, so it's more predictable than ever before.
And we will show on the clinical results, on clinical cases, how you could follow the same workflows and achieve the same results easily and predictable.
It's a great city, a great congress, very interesting lectures, so everybody should come here.
Yeah, it's a good chance for all of the dentists who will come here to upgrade their knowledge and follow the future developments in this field.
I felt in love many years ago, so we come here and I see my love from the past again.
Yeah, so I could add that it's a beautiful and great city that want to be visited many of times.
No, we never stop learning, and Budapest is a great place, and this Congress had everything you need. So I would like to say welcome to the next Congress here in Budapest.
And don't stop developing.